It's like, this is guy taking seriously. 3 rounds kami kanina. Ano ka bro? Boxing ka naman.
Game.
Sa'yo, maganda sana yan.
Mag-bouting ka, no?
Kasi lang meron siya. Kasi lang.
Di ba sabi ko, sakit ka? Ano sakit ba? Sakit din. Noong 2019 before quarantine. Wait ko ano? May laro. Wait ko 41.
Space. Okay. More. Game. Pa.
Yung ba? Tapos ng quarantine. Kaya ka, naging 80. Naging 80. Simulan ko
Yan, good. Great space.
Wala akong alam sa grappling.
Space jam. Sige, sige.
Yours is so annoying to look at. For me, the ramen was okay. You, I was so pissed. I was like, what the fuck is this? It's not like, you don't see it on TV pa. I was like, what the fuck is this? My God, this dude is like, you have the weirdest stance, and then what's worse is I can't hit you. It's like, what am I hitting, bro?
But, I can't hit you.
No, you can't hit me. That's the annoying part. Yeah, I hit you like boom, boom. I tried to this guy kasi. I don't like fighting this guy.
Defense kasi ako, sir. Hindi niya ako saman.
This guy pisses me off.
Ano pansin niyo yung stance ko for defense?
Hindi ko sasampalin ako. Babukas?
Blood in here.
You should buy gloves ko. No, I have my own gloves naman. I have my own gloves naman.
You brought yours and
Gloves, no.
ah.
Wraps, I have my own, but then I didn't bring it. I wasn't really ready. Oh no, it's okay. Yeah, but it's okay.
Tatakain nga ka? Nga ka muna. Yes,
Parang malnourished. I'm gonna fight you. Ano, wait, this guy has ultra instinct.
No, dude. Like, ano yung next
Ah, yeah?
mechanics? Like,
Wait, okay.
Ahmad pwede pa.
Hips down, JM. Sige.
Wala na, ano ako sa'yo eh. Nakakaba ng stamina mo. Baka umabot ko rin this one bro.
Yung last round.
Lalo mo
We rode the jeep, tapos nalawid sa jeep. Tahimik ko.
Oh, eh?
Tahimik pa kasi ako yan.
Isn't careful if you're gonna go on the ground.
Alam mo yung pitch.
She's gonna hold her back.
Pag ano na lang, stagger ka na siya. Pag gano'n ko na, muna boxer. Doon pa tayo meron.
Be ready to be bloody red.
Okay, nakikita ko sa YouTube eh. Ayan, 6 tapos lang. Ito.
No.
Very good. Watch out naman. Zero. Shoulder mo. Nagutom bro.
30 seconds, tuloy. 1 minute. Sige.
Well, no vaccine, bro.
Itapusin nyo.
No vaccine, bro. You can minus the...
Yung ano, ito. Dapat na dito. Yan.
Good job. Kunin mo yung leg niya. Ay, taas ang likod niya. JM.
All tayo. Kailangan.
Roy. Okay na. Okay na.